Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know for a long time I could not make any video. Actually I was not feeling good. Now I'm completely alright. Anyways, today I will take you to a place which is very mysterious, and there is a temple which is about 3000 years old and it is still in good condition. So let's go there. This is basically a Ganesha temple and it is situated in the heart of the Brahmaputra river. Nowadays the river is in spade, that's why we need a boat to come here. Anyways, we have reached our destination. First of all, we have to park the boat somewhere and need to tie it against something so that it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, then we need to go up. Guys, just have a look how the Brahmaputra river looks like from here. It's really endless. Oh my god, it's really scary. Now we need to go up through these stairs. Guys, can you see that tree? When I was born, then I found that tree in that peak, and still you see people say that this tree is very old. It's about 6 to 700 years old. Yeah, this kind of trees are found in hilly area only. And this is the temple which I was talking about. So we are going up. Let's see. Guys, he's my friend and he's trying to climb that rock, but no, he could not. I think the rock is very sleepy, that's why he could not climb the rock. So guys, this is the statue which I was talking about. Guys, let me tell you that this statue is not man-made. It was emerged on its own. And people say that it is very ancient. It was discovered about 2000 years ago, and since then every day people worship it. Guys, now I will show you around the temple. If you go up, then you will find this kind of big rocks on your way. Yeah, this kind of rock you will find if you come here. Guys, let me tell you that this is very peaceful area. This is a very good place to meditate. You can come here and do meditation. You can spend a quality time with yourself. Yes, this place is very up from the ground, so you will get a good energy. This is a very peaceful area. You can do meditation here. Nobody will disturb you. That's why you can increase your concentration power by meditating here. Guys, I would like to share a very interesting fact about the temple. Few years back, a man found two golden bricks under the tree. One he donated to the temple and one he kept for himself. Since then, every year he celebrated the Ganesh Puja on a large scale and he fed about 7,000 people. There are so many mysteries which are not yet been revealed. That's why I guess people call it a mysterious place. Guys, let me tell you that there is a well which is very endless. There is no end to that well. But unfortunately in this video I will not able to show you because due to rain it's been very sleepy and I don't want to take any risk. In the next video if I come, then I will try to show you. Guys, now I will go up and we'll see how my village looks like from up. Guys, let me tell you that due to rain the road has become so sleepy, so I need to be very careful while stepping up. If my step slips off, then I will directly fall down to the Brahmaputra river and there are so many big rocks will hit my head and I will die. So I really need to be very careful. Guys, I wanted to go little up, but a dog is barking at me, in fact chasing me. So I had to come down. So you see my village, how it looks like from here. Nobody will say that there is a village. We can see only water, nothing but the water. This is also another way of going up, so I will try to go up. As I told you earlier also that the road is very sleepy, so I really need to be very careful. I have to think twice while stepping in. I fell down so many times, but still I will go up. I'm very obstinate. So guys, as we can see only some chimneys from here, nothing is visible other than that. Guys, nowadays weather is very unpredictable. Rain may fall down anytime. So now at this moment if it rains, then it will be very difficult for me to go back home. Guys, one more thing I would like to tell you. While climbing up, if you fall down, then also it's alright. But while going down, if you fall down, then it's very dangerous. So guys, you really need to be very careful. Okay then guys, that is it all for today. If you want to see such more videos, then comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every time I put a new video, you get notified. See you in another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and I love you all.